Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and if you would like a digital irrigation timer thing like this, but you want to be able to control it from your phone via Bluetooth, this video is for you. So this is the Melnor irrigation timer Bluetooth thingy, and been using this for a number of years. You can see the the plumber's tape that I had on here from last season. It doesn't come with that, but it's pretty easy to use. It requires 4 AA batteries. Pretty easy to install. It is recommended during freezing temperatures you take this and bring it inside, which is why I'm giving you an explanation right now, because it was going to get too cold. Now, you can manually adjust it with these buttons. Just with a click of a button, and it'll turn green, and then it will be running. You also have a battery indicator right there, and the bulk of this is going to be managed from your phone via a Bluetooth connection. So unlike maybe other devices where it has a built-in timer and you can manually adjust it and all that stuff, this is not like that. It is 100%, except for the manual options, 100% it's going to run from the app when you are close enough to be within Bluetooth range. I don't believe this runs off Wi-Fi. I've never even attempted to, but how I've used it over the number of years is like this. So once you download the app and it tells you how to do all that, you turn on your Bluetooth, you turn this on, and then it connects. And then you can go in there and you can say, okay, this is station 1, 2, 3, 4. I want this to turn on at whatever day and time, however many times a week you want it to. And then this is for the duration. You could do that for each one of your 4 zones. Then you also have the opportunity of manually adjusting it on your device as long as you're within Bluetooth range. So if you are the type of person that's looking for something that you can, be a mile away and be able to turn that on, this is not the device for you. But if you are out and about working in your yard, or you're like, yeah, I got to give whatever plants, your flowers or whatever, you want to get some more water, as long as you can be within Bluetooth range via your phone or whatever app you have connected to it, then you can manually from your device turn these on. The majority of folks, I would believe, are going to use this to basically set it and forget it, just like what I've been doing for a number of years. So I went in, I programmed all my zones, and while I was connected to Bluetooth, I set it, I forget it, I turn my Bluetooth off on my phone, and it's a wrap, it's done. So that's the cool feature as far as how this all works. You don't need to have your Bluetooth running all the time. You're just using your Bluetooth to activate this digitally, and then that's kind of saved, I guess, into the device, and then it kind of runs on its own. Hopefully that answers any questions you have about this device, and we'll talk to you soon.